In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to work your plantar flexion isometrically. We're going to be using a Pilates ball for this, and there's a good reason for it, because this is going to mean that I have an appreciation not only of coming into plantar flexion, because it's a nice deflated ball, but also as well I can get the appreciation between me pointing in, doing plantar flexion, but also having to keep my foot completely neutral from the position that I'm pushing. So I don't want to push too much with my medial or lateral foot. I want it to be nice and even through the toes and forefoot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press into the ball without my toes pointing up or down. So I want the foot completely neutral, and I'm going to press in just like I'm pressing down the accelerator in my car. I'm starting now to feel the gastroc and also soleus and Achilles start to contract. You can hold that there for the desired amount of repetitions or alternatively seconds that you'd like to do. Some people like to hold that position, some people like to come out and then go back in and hold it. But realistically, if you're looking for a true isometric contraction, I would just hold the position, and what you'll get here is you'll start to get the activation of the muscle without the change in muscle fibers, which is what isometric means.